Hey guys, what's up? And this will be my video on how to get video ringtones on your iPhone or iPod Touch. Alright, so to get that, what you'll do is open up Cydia. After that, you'll go to the search tab, and then you'll search for wallpaper. Okay, so once you search for wallpaper, you'll scroll down all the way to the bottom until you see wallpaper right there. You'll tap on it, and then hit confirm and install. Alright, so once you're finished installing wallpaper, you'll exit out of Cydia. Alright, so after that, what you'll do is open up wallpaper. Alright, so once you open up wallpaper, you'll go to video ringtones. Once you go to video ringtones, it says enable video ringtone, which you'll turn on, and then select global video. Then once you download your video, it'll go to the global video, then you can choose. So I'll choose to download one right. You can choose from any one of these to download for a video ringtone. So I'll choose Go Getta. As you can see right there, it's downloading right there. The download speeds are pretty fast, and this one is almost done already. So now it's done already. So now you just can go to select global video. Once you're done that video will be right there. You can tap on that video, and then I'll play a little clip of it, and then you just say no thanks or yes I want for your video wallpaper. Alright, so that's what you'll do to get a video wallpaper for your iPhone. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and rate 5 stars. Thanks for watching.